Hey folks, Zach Murray here. Welcome back to the Homestead, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review of one of my favorite tools on the Homestead. Alright, so this is a DeWalt 60V leaf blower. I use this thing literally every single day just to get the dog hair and the leaves and stuff off of the porch. I like it so much, mainly because all you have to do to start it, watch your ears. That's it. There's zero gas, maintenance, warm up, anything like that. So I just leave this up on top my storage thing and on my porch, and every day I just blow off the rug and the porch, and it's real quick and easy. What's nice is this thing is powerful enough where you can actually use it in the yard for leaves and stuff like that. And with a 9 amp hour 60 volt battery, one of the great big old ones, this thing will run for 20 minutes at full blast. So if you have a small yard, or if you have a larger property like we do, and you just want something that's really quick and easy to keep around your house and your porch and stuff clean, I highly recommend this. I'll give you a little demonstration of how I use it every day, and then I'll actually show you blowing some leaves so you can get a good idea. And fall is coming, so you probably want to get it sooner than later. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So as you can see, it has a variable speed trigger, so you can just barely have it on for blowing children away, or you can have a full blast. And whenever you have it on full blast, there's a locking little trigger here, so you don't have to hold the button down. All right, so this is how I use it every single day, just to get dog hair and stuff off. So it'll be kind of loud, but you can see how it works. And that's it. That's why I like this so much, because I just cleaned this whole porch, and I didn't have to sweep, for several minutes, and I didn't have to start up a big old gas blower. Very handy little tool. Now I'm going to go up to my driveway and show y'all a big pile of leaves and how this thing works on bigger stuff. All right, this is a little bit more of a real world scenario that you'd probably use on your home. So we have this tree here that puts all these nuts or whatever all over the place, so they're a little bit heavier. We've got some of the fall leaves coming in, and then we've got debris like grass clippings from the last time I weed eated. So I'll show you how it does. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to finish that spot up later because our little helper, I don't want to get stuff in her eyes or whatever. But you can see, even on the heavier, bigger stuff, this thing is way more than powerful enough for your, actual like leaf type chores. All right, and this is the last kind of a, real world scenario type thing I want to show you. We don't rake leaves around here. I've got a lawn sweeper. I've got a review separately on that. But a lot of people don't have all that, and they have a smaller yard. So I'll show y'all how it works on just plain old leaves. All right, so y'all can see it works. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time doing this, but I think you get the idea. It works really well. So in conclusion, I love this thing and I legitimately use it every single day. If you get off of Amazon, I'll have a link below. It is 190 as of time of recording without a battery. If you already have some of the DeWalt 60V stuff, I would say it's a no-brainer and 100% you should get it. If you want to include the price of a battery, you might want to wait till it goes on sale or something. But I've had this for about 4 years now and it works awesome. If there's any one negative to it that I can say is that this intake here, I'll have my wife blow me off after I get done doing yard work and stuff, because I'll get covered in grass and hay. She had a dress with a little belt thing on it, and the belt was just like cloth and it kind of got sucked up in here. Nothing happened, but this air intake, if you have on loose clothing, I'll just show you. So not a big deal. I haven't had any issue with anything actually getting stuck up in there. But if I had to say one bad thing about it, it would be that. And lastly, if you're going to be blowing at full blast for more than like 30 minutes, full blast, this might not be the best thing. But like I said, you get 20 minutes of runtime with a 9 amp hour battery at full blast. That's no breaks. And the fast charger will charge this in less than an hour. So it's up to you. But again, if you have a smaller yard or if you just want to help keep your porches and stuff clean, check this thing out. Thank you for stopping by. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.